Ding. Welcome to our second episode, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have my friend Kedar Pandit. Kedar, where are you from?
I'm from Chembur, Mumbai.
Dude, what the? Are you from Chembur?
Yeah.
See, are you kidding me? As we speak of, I'm in Chembur right now.
Okay. I'm in the Devnar area.
I'm in Devnar area. What is wrong with you?
Toddler besties that's melting hearts across planet Earth.
And meet my friend Shubhendu, all the way from Pakistan. Shubhendu, say hi. Don't be rude.
भरत मिलाप हो गया हो तो काम की बात कर ले.
See, I don't like someone else cracking the first joke. It should always be me. So I'm editing your joke out.
No, the first joke was cracked by your parents. That was you.
Burn.
Moving on. Shubhendu is one of the chief executive producer from Netflix. And I'm like the mediator person between casting and Netflix. Today, for the third season of Sacred Games, we're going to audition a new guy for the role of Ganesh Gaitonde. So Kedar, who do you have for our first audition? Who's your first candidate?
Tashigi-san.
Tashigi, yes, from that One Piece, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, and Japanese anime character. I'm 100% sure Shubhendu has no fucking clue who this person is.
हाजी में मश्ते.
Hajime mashite.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Arigato gozaimasu.
What?
Baka.
Guys, please don't speak Pakistani.
Omae wa moushinderu.
Nani? Sahi hai.
Do you guys know each other? What is happening?
I know the Pakistani language.
Mushi, that's all I know. I think Tashigi is the best suited person for Ganesh Gaitonde's role. I mean, look at her figure. I'm pretty sure it will appeal for the mass audience.
See, for Tharak we have a lot more characters. सिर्फ Tharak के बेस पे हम hire नहीं कर सकते.
Sir, but can your Nawazuddin Siddiqui, does he know how to use a sword? Or Tashigi knows how to use a sword? This is the coolest person to play Ganesh Gaitonde.
If you are bringing Tashiki, then bring me Zoro. It would be a better choice.
How about this? Imagine the scene where Tashigi meets Guruji. That will be the outburst for the season 3. People are gonna watch that scene like on loop. Your Netflix subscriptions will go like this the moment you have one scene like that with Tashigi and Guruji.
शायद तुम भूल रहे हो, we are Netflix, not Alt Balaji.
Kedar, why this Tashigi is from your top 10 list?
So when I started collecting, this was my first anime figure. 5 years back, I went to my first Comic Con and this was my first figure. No puns intended. At that time, I was just into One Piece totally. So I just wanted anything related to One Piece.
Shubhendu sir, आपको लेना ही चाहिए sir. This is the best option I can offer you.
If this is the best option, I should be hiring a new casting director.
डॉक्टर डूम सर, ये देखिए सर, पहले आप बोलो, आपको क्या लगता है, पहले आप बोलो.
सबसे पहली बात तो भाई इसका चेहरा नहीं ठीक है. और फेस वैल्यू का मतलब क्या होता है कि फेस छुपा ही दो. ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा बंदा होगा, लेकिन मतलब भाई शक्ल भी तो होनी चाहिए.
सर, आप एक बात बताइए, सेक्रेड गेम्स में किसका सब ठीक है? हाँ, सैफ अली खान का उंगली नहीं है, हाँ, बंटी का पैर नहीं है, गुरुजी कुछ बोलते हैं कुछ और करता है, उसका दिमाग ही ठीक नहीं है. सबका अपना अपना प्रॉब्लम है.
ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਕੁੱਤਾ ਟੋਮੀ ਸਾਡਾ ਕੁੱਤਾ
शक्ल तो देखो ना भाई, कुछ शक्ल दिखे तो सही, अच्छी बुरी कुछ भी हो.
Imagine Ganesh Gaitonde is a new superhero. It's a great twist to the story, sir. Sacred Games season 3 के लिए कितना पुश होगा वो. एक सुपर हीरो इंट्रोड्यूस.
भाई तू कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर की राइटर है. तेरे पास हर चीज का इनपुट है सिवाय एक अच्छे कैरेक्टर के.
कितने सारे इनपुट दिया सर मैं. आप ऐसा क्यों कर रहे हैं सर? आप आजकल थोड़ा ज्यादा ही रूड बन रहा है. Kedar, it's good that we are sharing the same password for Netflix. अलग अकाउंट लेने की जरूरत नहीं.
मैं और दोस्तों को मैं डाल देता हूँ.
केदार अपनी ईमेल आईडी बताना.
Kedar, I have to tell you, the toy is still so much better than the movie version of Doctor Doom.
I know.
Fantastic Four. Where did you get this toy from?
I got this from the seller on the page, Shubham Grover.
So the page he is talking about is Indian Toy Collectors on Facebook. Guys, please do check it out. If you want to be a toy collector, if you want to exchange your toys or buy from someone, it's a great place to contact, and that page is active each and every day. It's a huge shout out for my 281 subscribers, but great.
I also have an action figure regarding to Doctor Doom. And Fantastic Four universe, the Invisible Girl.
Ooh, this is the Marvel Legends series, है ना केदार?
हाँ, उसको
I
बाल
mean,
देखो.
look at the articulation. And also, did you get the news that Doctor Doom might come back in Black Panther 2?
I got it, so I was even more hyped up when I got this figure because at that time, if at all he comes, so the rate will be skyrocketing anyway.
Yeah.
So it's good that I have it.
It's
now.
good that you already got it. I'm waiting because once the movie releases, the new wave will release and the MCU version of Doctor Doom will come, and then I thought I'll buy then. Every time Shubhendu cracks a poor joke, let's do this one.
Yeah, we'll take a shot.
I'll add the nastiest sound when we are doing that. Kedar, please bring our next candidate. Doomsday!
Sir, yeah, Apocalypse, sir.
Apocalypse, sorry.
क्या कास्टिंग डायरेक्टर बनेगा रे तू? तेरे को कैरेक्टर नहीं पता.
No, I just got confused. See, he is as badass as Nawazuddin Siddiqui
He
sir.
also has a Thanos ka hand.
That was kind. So think about it, sir. I think this is the best.
तूने सीरीज देखी है ना भाई? त्रिवेदी बच
Season 1
जाएगा.
तक हाँ.
सीजन सब मर जाएंगे, त्रिवेदी बच जाएगा. ठीक है, जो थैनोस की औकात है आधे बंदे मारने की खाली, ये इसको सामान चुरा के आए, क्या ही मारेगा ये.
पूरा दिखा केदार, फुल बॉडी शो फुल बॉडी. ऐसा उसका लेग्स देखिए सर, उसका पेक्स देखिए, उसका एब्स, चेस्ट, बाइसेप्स. आपका नवाजुद्दीन सिद्दीकी कभी बन पाएगा ऐसा?
भाई,
उसका
तेरे
पिछवाड़ा
को-
देखिए, गुरुजी का तो खुश हो जाएगा.
भाई तेरे को पता है, मेरे को पता है, जो इतना जिम जाता है उसका क्या हाल होता है.
This joke is cracked already in the previous episode. Kedar.
कुक्कू का इससे बड़ा होगा.
Kedar, tell me about this. Why is it having a different hand? First of all, let's talk about that.
Flipkart is very unbelievable, yeah. I mean, they just released one figure and then it's all gone. So I missed out on the Magneto, and no one is giving me the
Hand.
sad cries.
Oh, so it's a BAF figure.
No one
Okay,
gave
let's try and see if someone is watching this video. Please, guys, please send Kedar a right hand of Apocalypse. But with which toy you will get a right hand BAF?
It comes with Magneto.
Magneto. Okay.
I have an observation, like Apocalypse would be very happy, like he has two hands, so he will never feel lonely.
Everyone has two hands. एक minute, Kedar.
You did not understand the joke doesn't mean that is a bad joke.
Okay, explain the joke.
When he wants to make himself happy, he will be using his right hand. When he feels lonely, he will use his left hand, so that it feels someone else is making him happy.
That's why, sir. देखो, ये लड़की का हाथ नहीं चुना इनने. He chose man's hand. That's why he's best for Ganesh Gaitonde's character. एक मास्टर जी का हाथ है, एक खुद का हाथ है.
Okay.
पानी वाला सीन रिक्रिएट कर सकते हैं.
Okay, now you have made a good point, and just because of your good point, we'll put him in consideration, but not actually select him as of now.
ये सर जी की ख्वाहिश जो उन्होंने पहले बताई थी, जोरो मांगा था.
सर बोलिए सर.
Oh,
Sir, how can you reject Zoro?
You need to know your character better. I know he doesn't have the left eye.
दिखने में वो चूतिया दिखता है. I understand, but he can play the character very well, sir. Have you seen the anime, sir?
Yes, I have seen the anime.
Acting skills are like another level. Nawazuddin Siddiqui sir को beat करना है तो Zoro is the guy.
Have you seen the series? Have you seen
2
the
episodes,
series?
but
फिर फिल्म शुरू हो गया.
at least you should consider him for Bunty, क्योंकि Bunty तो चूतिया है, ये भी चूतिया है, so.
Yeah, देख सकते हैं. बंटी के लिए तो मतलब देख सकते हैं.
Okay, Kedar, why is this your top 5?
I had cosplayed as Zoro in 2017. I just wanted a character from which I cosplayed. So.
I don't understand. Not many anime characters have action figures. They only have statues. Imagine Pokemon action figures.
I know, man.
People would go crazy.
Speaking of that, I also have one more for Pokemons.
I'm
yeah.
ready.
This is Ash's dad.
No, actually, that's a good one. Yeah.
My tears, I'll drop my tears in this.
Okay, so Kedar, show us your last BF parts figure of the legendary, my favorite Gladiator Hulk. I mean, look at this, how powerful he will look on screen as Ganesh Gaitonde.
Give me 2 reasons why I should hire him. First of all,
पहला वेपन दूसरा वेपन हो गया और क्या चाहिए.
When Trivedi is destroying the full city, at least someone should have good weapons to fight him.
like, I'm not Sartaj के लिए नहीं कर रहे हैं hiring.
अभी सरताज के लिए how can he hold weapons? एक हाथ से he can't even hold a weapon. So Ganesh Gaitonde can do. Second reason, आप 2 reason पूछे थे. Second reason, केदार once turn him around and lift his.
बड़ा है.
देखिए सर कितना खुश हो जाएगा गुरुजी. एक काम करेंगे सर. The 5 people I got now, 5 candidates, they are the best actors out there right now. Okay, you have to choose one among them and you have to give them a try. कितने दिन ये nepotism चलाते रहोगे आप?
And Netflix पे कौन सा nepotism होता है भाई?
सैफ अली खान कहाँ से आया सर? सैफ अली खान कौन है आप बताओ?
सैफ अली खान को भी तो तू ही लेके आया था भाई पिछली बार.
हाँ वो तो है, लेकिन आप तो सेलेक्ट किया ना. आप आउटसाइडर को चांस देना ही चाहिए सर.
स्ट्रगल करेंगे सर.
Kedar, of course, it will be anyone's top 5. But in your words, please say why is this your top 5?
Okay, so don't judge me. This was not in my plan to build anyway.
Okay.
I was like, I just want a regular Hulk, but then I got the Hela figure from somewhere, and then I got this back part with it, and I was like, now I want it. कुछ भी हो जाए. Just like Gaitonde, अपने को मांगता है, अपने को चिकन मांगता है, अपने को back मांगता है.
People who are watching this who are not toy collectors, so each part of this Hulk, there are 6 different parts collected from 6 different toys. So it's called build a figure, BAF part. If you want to buy this Hulk, Gladiator Hulk, you can't buy it anywhere. You have to collect this, or you can go to the Indian toy collector page and try to connect all the toys from different, or if someone is selling the full toy as such, you can buy it there. Collecting this toy itself is a task.
Okay, reject Zoro.
अच्छा Zoro तो चूतिया है. Bunty, it's for Bunty.
We are not Art Balaji, so Takeshi should be out.
He's out.
But then we are going to reject this Dr. Do, जो अपनी फ्रेंचाइजी को नहीं संभाल सकता, वो हमारी फ्रेंचाइजी में आके क्या करेगा? So Gladiator Hulk, I would, if it was Sartaj, I would have considered him.
Gladiator Hulk for Sartaj. Fair enough.
Only
so the
decent-
Apocalypse is the winner. Apocalypse is getting the part. Congratulations, Kedar.
Don't get so excited. He was the closest one in your list that could have gotten the part, but it's not getting the part.
Sir, what are you saying, Kedar? What have you done, man? You have disappointed me. Call for the meeting in the office 5 p.m. immediately.
Emergency meeting.
Emergency meeting.
I have taken all my time and brought you in, and I think you are the sus.
Before you vote me out, before you eject me out. First of all, when Kedar was doing this task, I was in electric, so I didn't see what he was doing. However, I too have a candidate. मुझे एक आखिरी मौका. This candidate you will definitely like. Skip vote for now, and then I will show you my candidate. Presenting you my best and your favorite, Radhika Apte, sir. Sir, you can't deny Radhika Apte. That is Radhika Apte in makeup, but that is Radhika Apte, sir.
So you are saying that we should cast Radhika Aptoy?
Yeah, this is Radhika Aptoy. You have to select Radhika Aptoy. When was the last time you have ever rejected Radhika Aptoy?
The answer is never, and we are selecting Radhika Aptoy. And you could have started with this, and we could have saved so much of our time.
I don't understand how desperate are you with Radhika Apte that you killed Radhika Apte in first season, and you're so desperate you're bringing her back for third season as Ganesh Gaitonde. People are gonna love this, sir. I'm gonna buy a Netflix subscription right now for this. Thank you guys. Thank you everyone. See you at Emmys.
Do you know where is the biggest statue of Iron Man?
Yeah, Gujarat. I can't believe I cracked it. One last time for all the Shubhendu's jokes, Kedar. But please guys, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to see more of this series, and comment 2 things, okay? First thing, tag those Netflix people, okay? And tell them why this should be made a full-time Netflix series, okay? Second thing, also comment who do you think is the best toy to play Ganesh Gaitonde